Are you looking to upgrade your summer wardrobe with something stylish, handmade, and totally unique? The crop tops are exactly what you need. Crochet crop tops are the hottest fashion trends right now. They are not only lightweight and breathable, but also give a perfect blend of comfort and style. Whether you are going to beach, a career outing, or even a festive event, their tops can instantly elevate your look. Let's explore some stunning crochet crop top designs you will absolutely love. First, we have the classic tennis square crop top. The design is timeless and colorful, made using small square patterns joined together. It's perfect for beginners and give a vintage boho vibe. Next is the intricate stitches
Halter
and
neck
elegant
crochet
design.
crop top.
It's
This
perfect
design
for
is
a
super
more
feminine
feminine
and
and
ideal for
classy style.
summer.
It tied around the
Another
neck,
popular choice
giving a
is the
chic
off-shoulder
and
crochet
modern
top.
look while
This
keeping
design
a
adds
cool.
touch of
If you look
glamour
delicate,
and
tails,
is
then the
perfect
lace
for
fitted
parties
crop
and
top
special
is must try.
occasions.
Pair
It
it with high-waisted jeans or skirts for a complete look. For those who prefer a bold and stylish appearance, the backless crochet crop top is a great option. It's eye-catching, trendy, and perfect for making a statement. You can also experiment with different zone colors, textures, and patterns to create your own unique designs. From soft pastels to vibrant shades, the possibilities are endless. Crochet crop tops are not just fashion pieces, they reflect creativity, handmade beauty, and personal style. Plus, making your own crochet top can be fun and relaxing experience. So, whether you are a beginner or an expert in crochet, now is the perfect time to try these amazing crochet top designs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crochet inspiration and tutorials. Happy crocheting!